What's up, guys? It's Tears. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another Aramid fiber case to review. This time around it comes from Later Case, and you know it is for the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So without further ado, let's take a look at this Later Case, the impossibly thin phone case. It's like magic. Oh, is magic, you know. Anyways, very nice packaging here from Later Case. Boom. Very premium, impossibly thin, featherweight, superior texture, space age material. This thing comes from outer space. Space age material. What does that even mean? 5 times stronger than steel. Ultra precise, simple install. So without further ado, very nice. Look at that. Bam. Now you get the back portion of the case. And I do like to see that they included the front portion of the case. Pataka. I see you. Yeah, don't look away in shame. Boom. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Now, one thing to notice here is that it does not have MagSafe capabilities, but you can buy the MagSafe capability here, an extra accessory at an extra cost. You heard that. There's other cases out there that have it embedded into the case itself. I don't know why they don't do this. Maybe it's a money grab. But without further ado, I do have the additional ring here, which I have to kind of install myself. But this is nice, thin MagSafe ring that you can go ahead and install it right there, and it's going to look like that. And in my opinion, this kind of looks ugly. I would have rather have them embedded into the case themselves and have them do it. But I wonder if you can put it in on the back of your phone and it'll be able to use it through the case. I'm going to test that actually out for you guys. I'll leave this aside. But let's go ahead and grab the Google Pixel 9 Pro right here. Let's place this. I think this MagSafe ring is like right there. Right there. Well, you can actually install it. As you can see, it barely protrudes a little bit like that. But after normal wear and use, it'll probably smash it in place. But and I believe it will work, but it's not too strong, so it probably wouldn't work. Let's go ahead and remove that right now. And this, it's a little difficult to remove right there, huh? Bam. Nice solid install here. Let's go ahead and place this bad boy in here. Let's see how this is gonna work. Boom. Also nice solid install. The buttons, the cutouts are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts. The buttons are exposed. No issue with the buttons. Cutouts on top also nice and precise. I kind of like how they did this right here. Gives you more coverage, more protection, and it's just the cutouts for the lens. So you can get some tempered glass screen protectors just for these lenses here. I believe Spigen sells them. I do have them on order, so I'm going to see if they work just fine with this case. But it looks and feels absolutely fantastic. Adds no bulk to it. Very nice feel in hand. Bam, look at that. I wish, like I said, I wish they would have included this embedded into the case itself, but now I have to install this, and I think it just ruins the look of the device itself. Now this is going to wirelessly charge regardless if it has the MagSafe capability. It is going to wirelessly charge through the case without any issues. It just doesn't have the MagSafe capabilities. But we also have the tempered glass screen protector from Later Case for the Google Pixel Fold. Inside, you're going to get 2 screen protectors and your cleaning wipe and installation accessories. Well, I do not like that it does not have the frame, but I do have a tempered glass screen protector currently installed right now. I kind of want to see if this is gonna feel and it is. So you probably don't need the installation tray because the front portion of the case itself is going to serve as your installation guide, and it's going to just fit there nicely. That's just what I checked right now. So they do have their tempered glass screen protectors as well. Bam, it's right here. I'll probably install it in a later video, but that is what they have here at Later Case. That is what's going on here. You have the case, tempered glass screen protector, and the MagSafe ring. Some cases, like I mentioned, include all of that. Every single portion of this right here, you have to buy separate. The case, the screen protector, and the MagSafe ring comes all separate. You have to pay individually for each of those items. There are some brands out there like Thinborn that all of that is included for one solid price. So make sure you do your research before you commit to buying any of these Aramid fiber cases. But this one looks good. The Thinborn one looks good. The Pitaka one was absolutely nice and good, and that one does have the embedded MagSafe as well as Thinborn. The only problem with the Pitaka one is that it doesn't have the front portion of the case. But with that being said, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding any of these products right here, please leave them down in the comment section below. Make sure you hit that like button because it helps out the channel a lot. And make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.